Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Bounce Bluetooth headphones. First, make sure your headphones have enough power. A full charge ensures a smooth connection. Next, power on your Bounce headphones by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see an indicator light. Keep your headphones close to the device you want to pair them with, ideally within 1 meter, to establish a strong initial connection. Now let's prepare your device. Open the settings menu on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Look for the Bluetooth option, which is usually found under Connected Devices or Network and Internet. Tap on it, and then ensure the Bluetooth toggle is switched to the on position. This makes your device discoverable to new Bluetooth accessories, allowing it to find your Bounce headphones. With Bluetooth enabled, your device will begin scanning for nearby accessories. You should see Bounce headphones or a similar name appear in the list of available devices. Tap on this name to initiate the pairing process. Sometimes, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Simply accept it. The connection usually takes only a few seconds to establish, indicated by a solid blue light on your headphones. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to simply turn both your headphones and your device off, wait 10 seconds, and then restart them. Also, try clearing any old Bluetooth connections from your device's memory. Make sure your headphones are not already connected to another device, as they typically only pair with one at a time. These steps resolve most common pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.